The APEXEL New Upgraded 4K HD 100mm macro phone lens is a high-end lens designed to provide stunning close-up shots with superior clarity. Compatible with iPhone, Samsung, and all smartphones, this macro lens is perfect for capturing intricate details of small objects like plants, insects, and textures. Key features: high-definition 4K quality. This macro lens offers superior clarity and sharper images than ordinary phone lenses, allowing you to capture professional-grade close-up shots with your smartphone. Elegant design inspired by Chinese tea ceremony. The lens appearance is inspired by the elegant shape of a teacup, combining functionality with a sleek, aesthetic design. Non-slip clip with built-in protection. The locomotive clip design ensures your phone stays scratch-free while securely holding the lens in place. Convenient LED fill light. The lens comes with an LED light that provides consistent and adjustable lighting, ensuring clear, well-lit images in any environment. Portable and durable. Comes with a silicone case, carrying bag, and cleaning cloth, making it easy to take on the go while protecting the lens from damage. Compatible with single and dual camera phones, works seamlessly with nearly all smartphones, providing versatility for a wide range of devices. Specifications: magnification, 100mm macro. Lens construction, 5 elements in 4 groups. Shot distance, between 40mm to 70mm. Package includes macro lens, LED fill light universal clamp, lens cap, carrying bag, cleaning cloth, user manual, retail box. Experience SLR-like image quality with the APEXEL 100mm macro lens, ideal for those passionate about photography or simply looking to enhance their smartphone's camera capabilities.